Hello everyone, this is Jaimin Sukhadia from Radhe Prem Mithaas. Welcome to Radhe Prem Mithaas. We have a 80-year-long legacy of preparing sweets and snacks since 1940s. My grandfather Kesavlal Sukhadia started with a small business in the town Pithapur with name Sukhadia Sweet Mart. Pithapur is situated near Gandhinagar, and initial days he had a tea stall, a snack shop and a sweet shop in the town. But as the city developed and urbanized, we moved to Gandhinagar and opened multiple outlets in the period. Today we have 7 outlets across Gandhinagar offering 100 plus varieties of sweets and 100 plus varieties of snacks and savories. We have always had a technological approach towards our business, be it manufacturing or billing. We wanted a solution that would help us with that. Previously, we used Renslab, an Kolkata-based ERP, for 7 years, mainly for accounting, sales and POS. But as our business grew, we wanted a solution that would help us to bring our processes and systems onto a same platform. So we did our research, especially for accounting and admin needs. We chose Odoo as our first choice. The big challenge in the world of ERP is staying up to date with the latest norms and regulations, especially with e-invoicing and e-way bills and GST. We also found that Odoo is very quick and consistent when it comes with compliance with the latest government regulations. Another reason behind choosing Odoo is the pricing. The cost of implementation can be slightly higher, but when we compare it with the other ERPs, it is very price effective. We also wanted to switch from a server-based system to a cloud-based system like Odoo, as to avoid few synchronization issues that we had faced in past. Also to get a real-time data from all our outlets. Unlike other ERPs that requires multiple apps, Odoo have combined multiple modules into one comprehensive ERPs, making our day-to-day operations very easy. Also, their main office is in Gandhinagar, which is convenient to us as our outlets are based here. This makes it very easy when we need any support. We are using Odoo for both B2B and B2C operations, covering manufacturing, purchase, accounting and POS. With manufacturing module, we are able to maintain the standards of our recipes, making the production on time with lesser wastage of raw materials. Previously, we faced issues when it comes to filing the GST, but with the Odoo accounting app, it is very easy and we are able to file the GST on time. At our retail stores, we use Odoo POS module, with which we offers loyalty program to our regular customers, and additionally we send bills to our customers through WhatsApp, which saves paper and help us to contribute to the environment. The implementation experience with Odoo was smooth and supportive. Our shift to Odoo has helped us streamline the processes and overall increasing the productivity. To conclude, I can say that Odoo is the only platform for all our business needs.